Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Python and Wing IDE. We will need Python to write programs using the Python language. We're going to need Wing IDE, which will make writing Python code easier, especially for beginner. All right. First, we're going to open a browser, a web browser. In this case, I'm going to use Firefox. All right, so we're going to type, we're just going to, you may go to Google, okay, and you simply search for Python. And then we want to, we can go to download. All right, so we're going to download the latest version. Right now it's 3.9.1. So if you use a Mac, automatically you come to this page, it will automatically select the version for Mac. So you don't actually have to search for it. This web page can tell whether you're using a Mac or a PC. So we're going to download Python. All right, so we can just click on the download executable, or you may go to the download folder. If you use a different web browser and you're not sure where it is, you can always just go to the download folder, and there you should see it. Okay. In this case, I'm just gonna run from Firefox. All right, so I mean you don't have to install for all users, and that's optional. It's also optional, okay, but maybe I will click on it, and then we're just gonna click install now. Okay, now that's done. Actually, that's the minimum we need to write Python programs, and the book actually uses just that. But to make it easier for us to write Python programs, we are going to download Wing IDE. So you just type Wing IDE. Okay, so IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So just hit enter, and you can see here Wing Python IDE. We're going to go to downloads. Okay, you want to pick the easiest one to use, which is Wing 101. Click on that. So Wing IDE they also have for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. So we're going to download the Windows installer. Save the file. All right, and now we can install Wing IDE. Click accept, and next, install. Finish. All right, so now let's test our Wing IDE. So we just download Wing IDE, and so you could click on start, and you can see Wing IDE right there. or you could just do a search. Okay. Now we're going to write a really simple program. Hello world. Click accept. All right, here we're going to close this welcome page. Okay. Now we're going to create a new file. Okay, and we're going to print hello world. All right, so we need to save before we can actually run our program. Click save, and then you can place this somewhere. In this case, I'm going to put it in my document folder. I'm going to create a folder called Python code. Okay. So all my code is going to go in this folder. Now I'm going to name my file hello world. Click save. Now if I click run, it's going to print hello world. Okay. Now I'm going to actually print hello world 3 times. So I'm just going to copy, paste, and click again. Now you can see it prints hello world 3 times. You can customize you can customize your Wing IDE. So for example, if you want the text to be larger, you can click on view, no, actually edit, preference, and go to fonts. Here you can select whatever fonts you like. So let's just say 12. Let's see, is that big enough? That's bigger. Okay, so let's just continue. Click OK. All right, so this is our program, and you may expand this window, make it smaller. Okay, so this window is the editor where you write your code, and this window is the result of running your program. Okay, so again, let's say we want to add another line. Now you can click save and then click run. Okay, notice that it prints Python is fun. Okay, that's it.